I'll show you a few things that will give you a little clarity. And this, for example, firstly, the rapid revision, all the videos are changing. So it's not just, editing a few videos of the previous version. All the videos have been recorded all over again in both English as well as English, and a lot of feedback had come on the background of the videos being black and posing as a problem while studying, maybe in terms of the reflection or the strain. So the main videos, of course, all of them were changed last year, so that background issue was not coming. Now that was applicable to rapid revision videos, so that has been taken care of. I'll quickly show you a 15-second snippet of something that I recorded recently for rapid revision. That'll just give you more clarity, and then we'll talk about it. Just have a look at this once. Now let's go on to diseases, and the first thing that I want to teach you is vasculitis. Common sense, itis means inflammation of the blood vessel, and fancy names are always a favorite with the examiner. So the classification of vasculitis is known as Chapel Hill classification. It's got you loads of PYQs, as you can see over here. So let's start with this. We will divide vasculitis depending on the size of the blood vessel, but never in the exam give an answer just on the basis of size. Also look at the clinical history, because there can be an overlap. So this is what gave you clarity that we have a background which is going to be white over here. I've just got a small snippet of 15 seconds. You've understood how the video lectures have changed. Have there been additions? I don't know how many of you noticed, but there was something different in that video, which I'm going to highlight once again, that all the questions while teaching you, what we were doing earlier was that we were giving you PYQ separately in the Q bank, which still remains. But now we've done the PYQ tagging while taking up the lectures as well. So I'm going to show you a few more questions over here, a few more snippets over here. This is one thing again that has been added, so hear this out as well.
So now I'll tell you about few common errors that student makes in bacterial infections. So a lot of times they get confused between erysipelas and cellulitis. So two important things you have to remember, that erysipelas is well demarcated. So history would be same, but it would be well demarcated, and this is caused by group A beta hemolytic strep.
Okay, so what we saw over here is a slide called common errors added, which has been added after every video lecture in rapid revision, where we are taking care of what are the mistakes that students are committing, and that we've taken out after analyzing what all mistakes usually you were committing while doing the Q bank.